What up, guys? This is Pastor Canayo again. We're coming out with another tutorial in Python. We're going to be talking about functions, how to create a function. So hopefully we can start with the daily post. We'll see. All right. So let's see if we can keep up. So how do we start a function? How do we create a function? First, we use the word def. Def is short for definition, and then you use or give it like a name for the variable. Like in this case, we're going to do the word name and then a couple parentheses, open and close, and then you do a column. Not semicolon, but column. Okay. And now, yeah, let's do print. Let's see name. Whose name do we say? Hello. Hello, Pastor. That's my name. Let's see, we can go ahead and run the program and see if that works. So as you can see, there's nothing that happened in the console. It's empty, nothing printed. So why is that? And the reason why is that it's because we need to call the function name. Like in this case, it's just name. Okay. Let's see. Name parentheses, and now this should work. Oh yeah, we have right here. Hello, Pastor. Right there, and also you can just add more lines of code right here. For example, print I am the coolest person in the world. That's cool. Let's print that. Okay, we got hello, Pastor, I am the coolest person in the world. Nice. And also you can call as many times as you want. So let's see, name again. Let's call it 3 times. Let's see. It should do it 3 times the same 2 lines of code. Hello, Pastor, I am the coolest person in the world. Hello, Pastor, I am the coolest person in the world. Hello, Pastor. Yeah, see? Cool. And also we can use for loops. On this one, since we already know a little bit about for loops, we're going to do for, and then we're going to do a x in, and then we're going to do a range. How many times do you want? Let's do 100 times. And then you do the same, you just call it by the name, and that should give us 100 times that 2 lines of code. Oh, there is, oh yeah, I was forgetting that column. See, oh cool. Now it should work. Okay, nice. Let's see. Oh yeah, there's 100 times of this. Cool. All right. Yeah, that was the tutorial and functions. We're going to still doing more function tutorials. So this is the beginning. All right. So hopefully this can help you, give you a little bit of the taste on the water and how you can create a function. All right. Thank you, and hopefully you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Okay. Bye bye.